Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Pamela and I make content on all different things, including horticulture, hair, bags, and my life. So if you're interested, don't forget to subscribe. But on today's video though, I have a pair of scissors and a box, so that can only mean it's an unboxing, a plant haul, a plant mail haul. I am so elated, crazy elated, crazy excited, super happy to share this plant with you all. So if you're interested in seeing what's inside of this here box, then keep on watching. Okay, so welcome back. I hope you can see me and I hope you can see this lovely box. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just cut this. I just want to do my best to not show you all my home address because stranger danger. Alright, so opening up the box, and you all see this plant. Before I continue any further, this mail order was a Facebook, I'm not sure if it was a marketplace or one of the Facebook just plant group purchases, but I found this and I contacted the seller. I think they posted it maybe a couple days ago from the day I purchased it, or a week from the day I purchased it, and I messaged her. I'm like, do you have these two plants? And she's just like, yeah. And I'm like, perfect, I want both of them. So alright, let's go ahead. I'm not too sure what this is, but I'm gonna put this to the side. So it's just like a bag of soil. So there are two plants inside of here. Well, I should have asked her. So plant number one. Oh no. Fucking. Oh fuck. I hope this baby is doing good, please. Did I just curse? Alright, there was definitely a fly, one of the gnat fly things. Ah, damn it, man. What the hell am I gonna do? I don't even have... Alright, so this is string of hearts plant. Oh my gosh, this camera wants to freaking focus. I would love that. Not on me, on the plant. Can you guys see this beauty? So I got some string of hearts. And this is flowering too. Oh my God. I need a studio or just a garage for when I'm doing plant vids, because this soil situation is not the business. And also, if I was filming on the floor, you guys would see Lola right now because she's trolling me. Let me see if I can pan you guys. Hey. Hi, Bakush. Mashukupupu! Mapapashashun! Makokoshoshoo! Chimadam chimadam! Mapakokopo! Mishubidu bibu! Shubiyu bubu! Alright. Back to serious business. String of hearts. Alright, so I'm back. Enough with the attention grabber. Look at this. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. There are a few casualties, but honestly, it's like, it's not the dead of winter, but it's freezing outside right now. So, guys, best believe I'm not complaining about the state that this plant got to me in. I'm happy that it got to me in this state versus any other state that's even worse. You just don't know how things are gonna ship, how they're gonna arrive to you. This, all that ruffling, you know, is coming from somebody down there. But yeah, guys, so this is plant number 1. I'm so happy to have gotten one of my dream plants, my wish list plants. And this beauty is flowering, but she has to really get like established inside of my home because... So plant number 2. Is like this. Can you guys guess what this plant is? It is a mother flipping Rhipsalis. I'm so happy. This got here in pretty much pristine condition. Just comb this a little bit. I really like vining plants. They just look so beautiful cascading down. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, my unboxing of my 2 Facebook plants. Again, I bought this either on Facebook Marketplace or one of just like the Facebook plant groups. I don't remember which one. I got a string of hearts and a Rhipsalis, so I'm so excited to have these babies in my collection. I'm gonna go ahead and find a pot, and I really feel like I don't have a single pot in my home for this plant, which is not good, but nothing that going to the another lovely trip to Lowe's or Home Depot won't, you know, fix, because I can't wait to go to Home Depot and Lowe's because I love going to the plant shops. Am I the only person? Like, I feel like I give my boyfriend headache because I'm always like, babe, I need to go back to, you know, like Home Depot or Lowe's. I need to go back to Home Depot or Lowe's. I need to go to this place to get plant stuff. I need to order plant stuff on Amazon or eBay. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching again this unboxing of my plant haul, plant unboxing featuring my string of hearts and my Rhipsalis. If you liked it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you aren't already. Join this little quickie family because we're pretty awesome here. And yeah, I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.